Welcome to the Comprehensive Plumbing Trade Knowledge Review Course 1 for plumbers to prepare for the 306A Red Seal License Exam. The Comprehensive Trade Knowledge Review course is designed to prepare individuals for the Plumber 306A Red Seal License Exam. This course covers a range of topics essential for plumbers to demonstrate their expertise in various aspects of the trade. Each module focuses on specific skills and knowledge areas required for the exam, allowing candidates to review and reinforce their understanding of crucial plumbing concepts and practices. Below is a detailed overview of each module and its relevance to the exam. Module A performs common occupational skills, covering 12% of Plumber 306A exam questions. 1. This module covers fundamental skills that are essential for success in the plumbing trade. 2 topics include workplace safety, tools and equipment usage, measurements, and basic plumbing techniques. 3 candidates will review the proper procedures for handling materials, basic mathematics, and communication skills within the context of plumbing work. 4 emphasis is placed on developing a strong foundation in core occupational skills to ensure competency in all areas of plumbing practice. 5 Mastery of these common occupational skills is crucial for aspiring plumbers to excel in their trade and pass the Red Seal exam. 6 In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions deeply on each of the following 22 topics to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 306A exam. 1. Maintains a safe work environment. 2. Uses personal protective equipment, PPE, and safety equipment. 3. Performs lockout and tagout procedures. 4. Uses common tools and equipment. 5. Uses access equipment. 6. Uses rigging, hoisting, lifting, and positioning equipment. 7. Rig loads for cranes. 8. Uses welding equipment. 9. Uses soldering and brazing equipment. 10. Uses oxy-fuel equipment. 11. Organizes project tasks and procedures. 12. Organize materials and supplies. 13. Performs piping system layout. 14. Calculate pipe, tube, and tubing lengths. 15. Install piping supports. 16. Install sleeves. 17. Commission systems. 18. Protects piping systems, equipment, and structure from damage. 19. Coordinates excavation and backfilling of trenches. 20. Installs fire-stopping devices and materials. 21. Uses communication techniques. 22. Uses mentoring techniques. Module B prepares and assembles pipe, covering 13% of Plumber 306A exam questions. 1. In this module, candidates learn about the preparation and assembly of pipes, a fundamental task in plumbing work. 2 topics include pipe cutting, threading, bending, joining methods, soldering, welding, gluing, and testing pipe systems. 3 candidates will practice techniques for assembling various types of pipes, fittings, and fixtures according to plumbing codes and standards. 4 skills in pipe preparation and assembly are essential for ensuring the proper functioning and longevity of plumbing systems. 5 Through practical exercises and hands-on training, candidates will enhance their proficiency in pipe preparation and assembly techniques. 6 In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions deeply on each of the following 9 topics to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 306A exam. 1. Inspects tube, tubing, pipe, and fittings before installation. 2. Cuts tube, tubing, and pipe. 3. Bends tube, tubing, and pipe. 4. Prepares tube, tubing, and pipe connections. 5. Joins copper tube, tubing, and pipe. 6. Joins plastic pipe and tubing. 7. Joins steel pipe. 8. Joins cast iron pipe. 9. Joins specialized pipe. Module C installs, tests, and services sewers, sewage treatment systems and drainage, waste, and vent (DWV) systems, covering 24% of Plumber 306A exam questions. 1. This module focuses on the installation, testing, and servicing of sewer, sewage treatment systems, and drainage systems in plumbing. 2 candidates will learn about pipe laying, connections, venting, drainage standards, waste disposal regulations, and safety protocols related to waste management. 3. Mastery of sewer and drainage systems is critical for preventing health hazards, ensuring proper waste disposal, and compliance with plumbing codes. 4 candidates will gain hands-on experience in installing, testing, and servicing sewage systems to meet industry standards and regulations. 5. A strong understanding of sewer, sewage treatment, and drainage systems is essential for passing the Plumber 306A Red Seal license exam and performing plumbing tasks effectively in real-world settings. 6. In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions deeply on each of the following 14 topics to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 306A exam. 1. Sizes pipe for sewers. 2. Install manholes and catch basins. 3. Installs piping for sewers. 4. Tests manholes, catch basins, and piping for sewers. 5. Services manholes, catch basins, and piping for sewers. 6. Plans installation of sewage treatment systems. 7. Installs sewage treatment system components. 8. Tests sewage treatment systems and components. 9. Services sewage treatment systems and components. 10. Sizes pipe for interior drainage, waste, and vent (DWV) systems. 11. Installs underground piping and components for interior drainage, waste, and vent (DWV) systems. 12. Installs piping and components for interior drainage, waste, and vent (DWV) systems above ground. 13. Tests interior drainage, waste, and vent (DWV) systems. 14. Services piping and components for interior drainage, waste, and vent (DWV) systems. Module D. Installs, tests, and services water service and distribution, covering 17% of Plumber 306A exam questions. 1. This module covers the installation, testing, and servicing of water service and distribution systems in plumbing. 2 candidates will learn about water supply connections, piping layouts, pressure regulation, water quality, and troubleshooting water distribution issues. 3 skills in installing and testing water service and distribution systems are crucial for providing clean and reliable water access to residential, commercial, and industrial settings. 4 candidates will practice techniques for connecting water supply lines, performing pressure tests, and maintaining water distribution systems according to industry standards. 5 Knowledge and proficiency in water service and distribution systems are essential for ensuring safe and efficient water supply, passing the Red Seal exam, and delivering high-quality plumbing services. 6. In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions deeply on each of the following 16 topics to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 306A exam. 1. Sizes pipe for water services. 2. Installs piping for water services. 3. Install water service equipment. 4. Test water service piping and components. 5. Services water services. 6. Sizes piping and equipment for potable water distribution systems. 7. Installs piping for potable water distribution systems. 8. Install potable water distribution equipment. 9. Installs and uses cross-connection control devices and methods. 10. Tests potable water distribution systems. 11. Services potable water distribution systems. 12. Sizes pressure systems. 13. Installs piping for pressure systems. 14. Installs equipment and components for pressure systems. 15. Tests pressure systems. 16. Services pressure systems. Module E. Installs, tests and services fixtures, appliances and water treatment systems, covering 14% of Plumber 306A exam questions. 1. This module focuses on the installation, testing, and servicing of fixtures, appliances, and water treatment systems in plumbing. 2 candidates will learn about fixture installation, appliance connections, water treatment methods, maintenance procedures, and servicing techniques for plumbing fixtures and appliances. 3. Proficiency in installing and maintaining fixtures, appliances, and water treatment systems is essential for providing functional and efficient plumbing solutions in various settings. 4 candidates will practice setting up fixtures, connecting appliances, and performing water treatment services to ensure water quality, energy efficiency, and customer satisfaction. 5. Understanding fixtures, appliances, and water treatment systems is critical for plumbers to deliver comprehensive plumbing services, comply with regulations, and pass the Red Seal exam. 6. In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions deeply on each of the following 8 topics to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 306A exam. 1. Install fixture supports. 2. Installs plumbing fixtures and appliances. 3. Test plumbing fixtures and appliances. 4. Services plumbing fixtures and appliances. 5. Sizes water treatment equipment. 6. Install water treatment equipment. 7. Test water treatment equipment. 8. Services water treatment equipment. Module F. Installs, tests, and services low-pressure steam and hydronic heating and cooling systems, covering 14% of Plumber 306A exam questions. 1. In this module, candidates learn about the installation, testing, and servicing of low-pressure steam and hydronic heating and cooling systems in plumbing. 2 topics include boiler installation, piping for steam and hydronic systems, radiant heating, cooling system components, troubleshooting methods, and safety precautions for working with heating and cooling systems. 3. Proficiency in low-pressure steam and hydronic systems is essential for providing effective heating and cooling solutions in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. 4. Candidates will practice installing boilers, pipework, heating components, and cooling systems, as well as conducting tests and servicing procedures to ensure optimal system performance. 5. Knowledge and skills in low-pressure steam and hydronic systems are vital for plumbers to meet heating and cooling requirements, maintain comfort conditions, and pass the Red Seal exam. 6. In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions deeply on each of the following 16 topics to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 306A exam. 1. Sizes piping and components for low-pressure steam systems. 2. Installs piping and components for low-pressure steam systems. 3. Test piping and components for low-pressure steam systems. 4. Services piping and components for low-pressure steam systems. 5. Sizes piping and components for hydronic systems. 6. Installs piping and components for hydronic systems. 7. Test piping and components for hydronic systems. 8. Services piping and components for hydronic systems. 9. Installs hydronic heating generating systems. 10. Installs hydronic cooling generating systems. 11. Tests hydronic heating and cooling generating systems. 12. Services hydronic heating and cooling generating systems. 13. Installs hydronic system controls. 14. Installs hydronic transfer units. 15. Test hydronic system controls and transfer units. 16. Services hydronic system controls and transfer units. Module G. Installs, tests, and services specialized plumbing systems, covering 6% of Plumber 306A exam questions. 1. This module focuses on the installation, testing, and servicing of specialized plumbing systems in various applications. 2. Candidates will learn about specialized systems such as medical gas installations, fire protection systems, power systems, fuel gas systems, and other non-standard plumbing systems. 3. Proficiency in specialized plumbing systems is critical for providing specialized plumbing services, meeting regulatory requirements, and ensuring safety in unique plumbing installations. 4. Candidates will gain hands-on experience in installing, testing, and servicing specialized plumbing systems to handle complex plumbing challenges and cater to diverse client needs. 5. Knowledge and expertise in specialized plumbing systems are essential for plumbers to deliver advanced plumbing services, pass the Red Seal exam, and succeed in the dynamic field of plumbing. 6. In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions deeply on each of the following 8 topics to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 306A exam. 1. Installs piping for specialized systems. 2. Installs equipment and components for specialized systems. 3. Tests specialized systems. 4. Services specialized systems. 5. Installs piping for process piping systems. 6. Installs equipment and components for process piping systems. 7. Tests process piping systems. 8. Services process piping systems. Module A. Comprehensive discussions of performing common occupational skills, covering 12% of Plumber 306A exam questions. 1. Maintains a safe work environment. 1. Hazard identification. One of the essential aspects of maintaining a safe work environment in plumbing is the identification of potential hazards. Plumbers should be trained to recognize safety risks such as electrical hazards, confined spaces, chemical substances, and slippery surfaces, and take steps to mitigate these risks to ensure a safe working environment. 2. Housekeeping. Keeping the work area clean and organized is crucial for maintaining a safe environment in plumbing. This includes tidying up tools and equipment, clearing walkways and work areas, proper storage of materials, and ensuring that spills are promptly cleaned up. Good housekeeping practices help prevent accidents and injuries in the workplace. 3. Tool safety. Proper handling and storage of tools are essential for maintaining a safe work environment. Plumbers should ensure that tools are in good working condition, have safety guards, and are used according to manufacturer instructions. Regular maintenance, inspection, and safe handling practices help prevent accidents and injuries caused by tools. 4. Emergency preparedness. Plumbers should be knowledgeable about emergency procedures and preparedness to maintain a safe work environment. This includes knowing the location of emergency exits, first aid kits, fire extinguishers, and emergency contact information. Being trained in emergency response protocols ensures a prompt and effective response in case of accidents or emergencies. 5. Communication. Effective communication is key to maintaining a safe work environment in plumbing. Plumbers should be able to communicate with team members, supervisors, and clients about safety concerns, hazards, and work procedures. Clear communication helps ensure that everyone is aware of safety protocols, risks, and emergency procedures, contributing to a safer work environment. 2. Uses personal protective equipment, PPE, and safety equipment. 1. Proper selection. Plumbers should use the appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, and safety equipment to protect themselves from workplace hazards. This may include safety glasses, gloves, helmets, hearing protection, respirators, and footwear. PPE should be selected based on the specific tasks and risks involved, ensuring adequate protection for the plumber. 2. PPE inspection and maintenance. Plumbers should regularly inspect their PPE for signs of wear, damage, or defects. Any damaged or faulty PPE should be replaced promptly to maintain its effectiveness. Proper maintenance of PPE, such as cleaning, storing, and repairing when necessary, prolongs its lifespan and ensures continued protection for the plumber. 3. Housekeeping practices. A well-maintained work environment is crucial for safety in plumbing work. Keeping work areas clean and organized helps prevent slips, trips, and falls, which are common causes of injuries. Implementing effective housekeeping practices involves regularly removing debris and clutter from work areas, storing tools and materials properly, and ensuring that walkways are clear and accessible. By maintaining a clean and orderly work environment, plumbing professionals can minimize accidents and create a safer space for themselves and their colleagues. 4. Emergency preparedness. Being prepared for emergencies is a fundamental aspect of maintaining a safe work environment in plumbing. Plumbers should be trained in emergency procedures, including evacuation protocols, first aid, and dealing with hazardous situations. Having a clear understanding of emergency response plans, the location of emergency exits, fire extinguishers, and emergency contact information is essential for ensuring the safety of all workers on the job site. In emergencies, plumbers should know how to respond quickly and effectively to protect themselves and others from potential harm. 5. Regular safety inspections. Performing regular safety inspections of tools, equipment, and work areas is essential for maintaining a safe work environment in plumbing. Inspections help identify potential hazards and allow for timely corrective actions to be taken. Plumbers should inspect their tools for wear and damage, ensure that equipment is operating correctly, and check for any hazards in the work environment that could pose risks to safety. By conducting routine safety inspections, plumbing professionals can proactively identify and address safety concerns, reducing the likelihood of accidents and injuries in the workplace. 3. Performs lockout and tagout procedures. 1. Safety protocol compliance. Lockout and tagout procedures are crucial safety measures used to ensure that equipment is properly shut off and not accidentally turned on while maintenance or repairs are being conducted. A plumber must be well versed in these procedures to prevent accidents and injuries in the workplace. 2. Identifying energy sources. Before performing lockout and tagout procedures, a plumber needs to identify all sources of hazardous energy that need to be isolated. This may include electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, or mechanical energy sources that could pose a risk during maintenance work. 3. Lockout device application. A plumber must know how to properly apply lockout devices, such as padlocks, to energy isolation points to prevent equipment from being restarted. This ensures that no one can inadvertently restore power while maintenance work is being carried out. 4. Tagout procedures. In addition to physically locking out equipment, plumbers should also use tagout procedures, which involve placing warning tags on the isolated equipment to alert others that maintenance work is in progress and that the equipment should not be operated. 5. Verification and testing. Once lockout and tagout procedures have been implemented, a plumber needs to verify that all energy sources have been effectively isolated. This may involve testing the equipment or system to ensure that it cannot be energized accidentally before proceeding with maintenance tasks.